Hi, Professor and TS. This is Yihong.
This is Lucas.
This is our term project Sudoku, and our topic is space and transformer. And our screen includes splash, help, play, select, and win or lose.
So for our splash screen, we have two buttons. The first is play and the second is help. When we click the play button, we'll just activate the select screen. And when we click the help, we'll get the very detailed rules of the Sudoku game. And this button works exactly the same as the splash screen's play, which will activate the select screen. And we have 5 static images here. When we click any one of it, we'll play a very short GIF. After the GIF finished, we'll just activate the playboard. Like this. So we will just activate the medium board in order to facilitate the later presentation. So we finished all the basic features. The first is about the automatic mode, and the second is the 2 hints. When we click hint H, it will try to find singletons or the obvious tuples. And when we click small g, it will just fill this. If we find the tuples, it will just ban it and also fill the target cells at the same time. So in spite of all the basic features, we also finished several extra features. The first is about the autofill. So when we play games which is harder than the easy level, and when we click S, it will automatically find a singleton and fill it. The second is about the manual mode. When the automatic mode is off and we just click a specific cell and we just click inside the cell, we can see that the small numbers will show. We can use it as a reminder or just a draft when we play the game, and when we double click it, it will just disappear. The third feature is about our board. We can see that in our working environment, there is no any board zip code, which means that our board is totally random generated with unlimited and unrepeated board. The last feature is about undo redo. Undo redo is that when we click any button, import any number, we'll just import some wrong numbers, which can be very obvious. And when we click undo, we will just go to the last step. And when we click redo, we'll go to the next step. So when we just input several number more, we have our remaining is the mistakes that we can make. And when we just use all these chances, we will activate the lose screen.